Hey guys, have you heard about Amanda's baby?
No.
I've called her yesterday and she told me her baby is in the NICU. She is diagnosed with whooping cough.
Whooping cough, really?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what whooping cough is?
I do. It's also known as pertussis. It's a severe respiratory infection that can cause coughing or trouble breathing. I've also heard that about half of infants who get whooping cough are hospitalized.
Signs and symptoms of pertussis: short, rapid coughs followed by sudden inspiration associated with high-pitched crowing sounds, flushed cheeks, bulging eyes, protruding tongue, and vomiting after the attack. Supportive treatment includes antimicrobial therapy, increased oxygen intake and humidity, and adequate fluid intake.
Yeah, now that you mention it, I do remember hearing that pregnant women do need to get a Tdap shot, which is a vaccine that helps protect them against whooping cough and provides protection to the baby.
Expectant mothers should get 1 dose of Tdap during each pregnancy, preferably at 27 to 36 weeks gestation. By getting Tdap during pregnancy, maternal pertussis antibodies transfer to the newborn, likely providing protection against pertussis in early life before the baby starts getting DTaP vaccines.
Wow. Well, I got my whooping cough vaccine and will encourage everyone caring for my baby to get one shot too.
Oh my,
4 out of 5 babies will get whooping cough catch it from someone at home.
oh my God, and everybody needs to get the whooping cough vaccine. That means parents, brothers, sisters, grandparents, even child care providers need to have this vaccine.
Yeah, it's important to make sure that your baby gets all 5 doses, which are at 2 months, 4 months, 6 months, 5 to 18 months, and also anywhere from 4 to 6 years old.
I guess you can get the whooping cough vaccine at your local doctor's office or your local health department or pharmacy.
The best way to prevent pertussis is to get vaccinated. Parents can also help protect infants by keeping them away as much as possible from anyone who has cold symptoms or is coughing. So, what does whooping cough sound like?
Pertussis, get